Hello students. Today's science lesson, please take out your science course book and open page number 135. The main topic is forces acting on a paper. So we are going to study about the forces which act on a paper. Investigating air resistance with paper. This is a new term which today we are going to discuss, air resistance. So first we are going to know the forces acting on a paper, and in that relation only we are going to learn about the air resistance of a paper. For this we are going to do one activity. It is in your book only. Please see through it. Materials needed. What we are going to do, it's a very nice activity, and in the classroom only or in your home only you can do the activity and see the difference. I have taken two types of paper. One is the flat paper and one paper which you are going to scrunch or crinkled, means scrunch it in a way that its area reduces, like a ball or any shape like this. Now see what you are going to do. You are going to drop both papers, flat and crinkled, from a height. Stand up and then throw it. Now see the difference. What happens? See, what did you notice? The crinkled paper fell to the ground faster than the flat paper. Faster than the flat paper. So there is a question, why? What is the reason behind it? So the reason or the conclusion is the flat paper has a larger surface as compared to the crinkled paper. Large surface area means more air resistance. Small surface area means less air resistance. Therefore, the flat paper with a larger surface area than the crinkled paper falls slowly as compared to the crinkled paper. Okay. Now see, what affects the amount of air resistance? Two things affect the amount of air resistance, and these two things are speed of an object and surface area of the object. Okay, so for this you have to understand that air resistance is dependent on two factors. Okay, the first one is the speed of an object, and the second one is surface area of an object. So this is all we have to study on page number 137. Yes. Now see, in this there are 2-3 questions on page number, the same page that we are studying, that is page number 135. You are going to complete these pages, these questions, sorry. Now what do you notice about the time it takes for both pieces of paper to fall? For this, the scrunched paper or crinkled ball of paper falls faster every time. Now do you take same amount of time to fall? The flat paper takes longer time. And what piece of equipment will you use to measure the time taken? So you can use your watch, you can use the stopwatch, you can use the timer. It is up to you. Okay. And the last question is, what two things affect the amount of air resistance the most? In this you are going to write the same answer, the speed of the object and the surface area of the object. Now there is one worksheet. It is for you. It is related to the air resistance only. And you are going to fill the blanks with the word bank, the words given in the word bank, and answer the questions true and false, and it is related to the topic which we have learned today, we have discussed today. So it is not very difficult. You can do it nicely, and please show it to me. Okay, thanks for listening.